In this lesson, you'll learn a shortcut for decoding Goodrick's Cycle 2 chords in C. In Cycle 2, the chord roots ascend in seconds, while the chords descend down the fretboard. Using root position, first and second inversion triads creates the smallest movements for smooth voice leading. When the first chord is a root position C major triad, the lowest notes can be determined by descending in seconds. The two exceptions are A, instead of B, since B is not in D minor, and D, instead of E, since E is not in G major. To use our shortcut, identify G and its fourth C as the 5-1 pair. From C, move down a third to A, then up a fourth, to D, down a third to B, up a fourth to E, down a third to C, then F, down a third to D, then G, down a third to E, then A, down a third to F, then B, its augmented fourth or diminished fifth. As the last step, add the third, above each chord's root. The repeating inversion pattern is root, second inversion, and first inversion. The ascending chords follow a descending pattern on both the fretboard diagram and our reusable chorder. When C major is in second inversion, the lowest notes begin on G and continue descending, skipping D and G. C major in second inversion starts the progression. Following our shortcut, begin with fourths, G C, then A D, B E, C F, D G, E A, and F B. Notice the repeating pattern. In the first chord, the fourth pair is the lowest two notes, in the next, it is the highest two notes, and in the third, it is the highest and lowest notes. This pattern then repeats. This animation demonstrates how to voice lead the 5 and 1 of each chord to the 5 and 1 of the next chord, then add the chord's third to complete each voicing. Applying our shortcut to voice lead chords in G major, starting with the 1 chord in second inversion, the fourth pairs are D G, E A, F sharp B, G C, A D, B E, and C F sharp. Then add the chord's third above each root to complete the voicings. Here, we begin with C major in first inversion. The lowest voice descends mostly by seconds, skipping C and F. The highlighted fourth pairs and completed chords are shown here. Watch the animation, which starts with C major in first inversion. Watch our lesson on plotting triads in Cycle 2, using the link in the description below. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and share this video. Download our apps to master the fretboard. Check out our books on visual interval and chord training.